So it's so beautiful out here. Out here skating down Meredith Drive. Oops, in Huntington Beach. Trying to get back out there. It's so beautiful out here. Beautiful day today. It's been raining these last few days, which is, rare, especially out here in Southern California, because, it never rains in Southern California. I see you when I get there. So, yeah. So it's back to itself today. Beautiful weather, beautiful weather. I'm out here in the street. Better move before I get hit by a car. Getting my little skate on. Woo.